मेटल्स वाटर के साथ कैसे रिएक्शन करते हैं, तो ये हमारी रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज है मेटल्स के लिए। तो ऊपर के जो तीन मेटल हैं, दैट इज पोटेशियम, सोडियम एंड कैल्शियम, दे रिएक्ट विद कोल्ड वाटर। एंड मैग्नीशियम, इट इज समवट लेस रिएक्टिव, सो इट रिएक्ट्स विद हॉट वाटर। एंड द metals aluminum, zinc and iron, they react with steam because they are less reactive. And the metals below iron, they do not react with water, okay, or steam, so because they are very less reactive. Okay, now these are the reactions written. So यहाँ पर हमारे जो पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, ये जो ऊपर के चार मेटल्स हैं, ये वाटर से रिएक्ट करके दे गिव hydroxides, like potassium hydroxide, which is a alkali, then this will give sodium hydroxide, this will give calcium hydroxide, and magnesium will give magnesium hydroxide. Okay, and hydrogen gas will be released. जबकि aluminium, zinc और iron, they react with steam only, they do not react with either cold or hot water because they are less reactive. And they produce oxides, like aluminum will produce aluminum oxide plus hydrogen gas, and iron will produce FeCO4 plus hydrogen gas. Okay, अब इसमें जो ऊपर के दो मेटल हैं, दैट इज पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम, दे आर हाईली रिएक्टिव. सो दिस रिएक्शंस of this with water, they are highly exothermic, and hence they catch fire when put in cold water. Okay, so we can say that these metals, that is potassium and sodium, should not come in contact with water, otherwise they will catch fire. And this calcium and magnesium, they have a property that when they react with water, they float on the water. This is because of the hydrogen gas bubbles that will lift these metals, that is calcium and magnesium, as this hydrogen gas will stick to this metal surface and will lift the metals. So these calcium and magnesium will float on water when reacted with water. Okay, so these are the various reactions with water.